लोग unemployment चिल्लाता है आजकल. But what if I give you a hack to make yourself job worthy? What if I told you that the key to unlocking the future lies in a field that's growing faster than we can even imagine? A field where by 2025, the demand could far outpace the supply of experts by nearly 50%. Yes, you have guessed it correct. There's data science for you. Data is the oil of the 21st century, and data scientists, well, they're the new explorers, turning raw information into actionable insights that drive entire industries. But what does it take to be at the forefront of this data revolution, and why should you even care? Hi there, I'm Pratik, co-founder of Whiteboard Consultants, your go-to channel for unlocking the best career paths and educational opportunities out there. We're here to help you, handhold you, and navigate this ever-evolving world of education and career choices that can secure your dream future. Now, before we dive into what makes data science the next big thing, let's break down why everyone's talking about it, and most importantly, why should you care? In a world where every click, every swipe, and every transaction generates data, the demand for professionals who can make sense of this tidal wave of information is just skyrocketing. Get this, by 2025, it is projected that over 175 zettabytes of data will be generated worldwide. That is 10 times the amount of data produced in 2015 for your comparison. Now, companies are no longer asking if they need data scientists. They're simply asking how many they can hire. In fact, the demand for data scientists is expected to grow by 28% by 2026, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. So, what's the store for data scientists in 2025 and beyond? Well, picture this, a world where AI just doesn't assist, but leads, where decisions of every industry are data-driven, and where data scientists are not just employees, but strategists, shaping the future of businesses worldwide. Well, that's right. By 2025, over 97% of businesses will rely on data to make mission-critical decisions. And guess who will be the mastermind behind these decisions? It's data scientists like you. But here's the real question. Is data science the right career for you? Now, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a problem solver, or someone who is fascinated by the power of numbers, this field has something for you. With an average salary of $100,000 and a potential to reach well over $150,000 with experience, the financial rewards are as impressive as the intellectual challenges. And guess what? The skills you develop today will be your golden ticket to the near future. Now, here are some industry predictions that you must know before you plan to start your journey into the world of data science. According to NASSCOM, India's Technology Industry Association, the demand for data scientists is projected to grow by 25 to 30% annually over the next few years. A report by McKinsey estimates that India could create up to 5.7 million jobs in data science and analytics by 2026. Also, the Indian government has been taking steps to promote data science and analytics. These include, I'm sure you must have heard of, the National Digital Health Mission. Now, this initiative, it aims to create a digital health ecosystem to generate vast amounts of data, driving the demand for data scientists. You might be knowing about the National Education Policy as well, which is known as NEP. This policy emphasizes on the importance of STEM education, and this includes data science and analytics at all levels. We must talk of the Skill India Mission as well. The Skill India Mission aims to provide vocational training and skills development opportunities to the Indian workforce, including in the field of data science as well. And who is this for? Well, data science can be for anyone and everyone who has got a penchant for numbers with a lookout into technology. If in case you need our help in crafting a customized plan of action in data science education and a career trajectory for yourself, please feel free to drop a question in the comment section and I will surely reply. Or else, you can just click the link on this description to DM me directly. Please hit the subscribe button if you are new to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our future videos. Because in our upcoming videos, we'll explore further into the world of data science in terms of the top universities, the skills you would need, and most importantly, how to land your first job into this exciting sphere of data science. Trust me, 2025 is just the beginning. See you next week in another video.